Hello and welcome to the Afirstsoft PDF channel. I'm Micah, and if you've ever struggled with maintaining the exact layout of your PDF documents when converting them to Word, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to convert PDF to Word without losing any formatting using Afirstsoft PDF, the PDF editor for Windows and Mac, and soon for mobile and web browser. Imagine this. You've got a complex PDF document filled with all sorts of text, images, and various formatting. You need to edit this PDF into Word and want to ensure that all formatting remains just as it was. Sounds challenging, right? That's where Afirstsoft PDF comes to the rescue. Let's now convert a PDF to Word using Afirstsoft PDF with these simple steps. First, open the Afirstsoft PDF application on your computer, and then open the PDF file you want to convert. Go to the Convert tab and select the To Word option to launch the PDF to Word converter. You can adjust the conversion settings if needed. For batch conversion, select Add Files or even folders to process at once. You can also enable automatic scanning PDF recognition if your document is a scanned PDF. Choose the location where you want to save your new Word document. Then, click on the Convert button to start the process. Let's take a look at the results. Here's our original PDF document, and here's the converted Word file. As you can see, the formatting remains intact with no loss of content or layout. From here, you're good to go. Afirstsoft PDF is now available for just $7.99 per month with 20% off, much more affordable compared to other options out there. We're also continuously adding new features for all users so you get more out of your subscription. One purchase gives you access to Afirstsoft PDF on all platforms, and with the cloud storage feature, you can seamlessly edit your PDF documents on any device. Ready to give it a try? Click the free download button now to enjoy all the cool features Afirstsoft PDF has to offer. Thanks for watching. Hope today's video helps you know how to convert a PDF to a Word document. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and updates. See you in the next video.